Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. As per the promise, today I'm making another great recipe which you can cook in a slow cooker or a crock pot. That is Matar Qeema. You can substitute the other vegetable as well, or if you don't have a slow cooker, you can follow the same recipe and cook directly in the cooking pot. So let's go and make it happen. So first I'll cook the masala in a regular cooking pot and then I'll transfer all the stuff in the crock pot. So for that I heat some oil, then I add sliced onion and then start cooking until onion gets very nice golden brown color. Then I'll be adding some chopped tomatoes. You can substitute with yogurt as well. Mix, 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 and then I'll be adding some ginger and garlic. I mix and cook it for a minute or two. Then I'll season it with some salt, red chili powder, coriander powder, and turmeric powder. Mix again and then cover and let it simmer and cook until tomatoes are completely tender, soft, and oil separates and comes on top. Then I'll be adding Qeema, my grounded meat, and then mix and cook on high flame for like a couple more minutes. And then very carefully I transfer all this cooked minced meat into my crock pot. Mix again and then cover and switch on your crock pot on high for 4 hours, and then rest of the cooking will be done in your crock pot. Since I'm adding Matar peas in my Qeema, so I open up the lid in between. Then I add my frozen peas. You can add potatoes, spinach, any other vegetables you like. Then cover and start cooking again until your mincemeat is completely cooked. I am sorry for the bad light. I am not cooking this dinner at night. This is like around afternoon, and this bad light is just because of this beautiful weather. So after 4 hours, my Qeema was done in like around 3.5 hours. So just check the consistency and garnish with some garam masala or chopped cilantro, and your Qeema Matar is ready to serve. So if you own a slow cooker or a crock pot, you can make any other delicious recipe just like that. And if you're trying this recipe at home, or if you want to learn any other recipe in a crock pot, please comment down below. I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. And if you're trying this recipe, please let me know how it turned out with you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.